Can I ask everybody to stand well back? The truck is a breakdown truck. It's a girt big truck, as you can see. A girt big truck. Which for people from not the West Country, it means it's big. So please keep out of the way of the girt. You will also see that behind the girt big truck is one of our collecting floats. We do urge you all to dig deep in your pockets and put any last bit of change into our collecting cart. We do need the finance to keep Carnival alive. And keep cards. If we've got £10 notes or £20 notes, that's even better. But please do help us raise a bumper collection this year. There's 8 members of the Crusaders, so 8 members of the Cavaliers, because there's 10 members of Crusaders. We've got 5 members from the market, from the new market Carnival Club. There are 5 members of Toppers. There are 13 members of the British flag. 6 members of Pentathlon. Where's Pentathlon? Pentathlon members, where are you? We have 10 from the Wills Carnival Club. Normally I can spot them. Where's the Wills? We have 8 members. Please put the woods out on the floor. That's all the lighters. In the middle of the street. From 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, light your squib. Make sure the squibs are held upright. What a glorious sight that is. Absolutely amazing. One, two, 3 left, 3 left, 2 left. 1 and 2. Go now together. Hurry. Hey! There she goes. Fantastic. Well, what a display that was. I think that's the longest display I've seen in a number of years. So well done. Spectacular evening at Carnival 2025. So come and join us again next year, and once again bring some fine weather with you.